हॅलो फ्रेंड्स अँड वेलकम. तुमचे स्वागत फामात या आमच्या एका नव्या आणि वेगळ्या कार्यावळीन. आणि फामात पावला आता मडगांव. म्हाका इतलें बरें दिसता. आय एम सो हॅपी. खूब बरें दिसता की फामाद मडगांव पावला. म्हणजे गोंयची कमर्शियल कॅपिटल जेका म्हणटा पळय ते आमचें मडगांव. तितून आयज फामाद पावला आणि आमी आसा आर्लेम टू गोगोळ वयता त्या रोडाचेर. आणि थंय त्या रोडाचेर आसा जस्ट बाय द रोड सायड योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस शोरूम. कपिल कामतीचो योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस शोरूम. योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस शोरूमान तुमकां 4D व्हील अलायनमेंट, मागीर व्हील बॅलन्सिंग, नायट्रोजन फिलिंग, मागीर टायर आनी एलॉय व्हिल्सांचो वायड सामकें कलेक्शन आसा हांगा. म्हणजे टायराचें A to Z, टायराचें एनीथींग एंड एवरीथींग तुमकां मेळटा योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस ह्या शोरूमान. खंय तर गोगळ आर्लेम ते गोगळ वयता त्या रस्त्याचेर जस्ट बाय द रोड सायड योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस. सो लेट्स सी. This outlet, this showroom, Yokohama Tire Express is famous. ते फामाद आणि सामकें अख्ख्या मडगांवान ते फामाद. आणि हांचो ओनर जो आसा बाब कपिल कामत, ताका तर सगळे वळखता. ही इज ऑल्सो फामाद अँड आवर शो इज ऑल्सो फामाद. सो जाणून घेवया की योकोहामा टायर एक्सप्रेस गोंयान मडगांवान गोंयकारां खातीर कितें सर्वीस दिता आणि तेंचे कडेन प्रॉडक्ट्स कितें आसा. डिटेल जाणून घेवया कित्याक आमकां तुमकां चड खबर ना न्ही. त्याचो ओनरूच आमकां सारकें सांगूंक शकतलो. सो वी हॅव विथ अस बाब कपिल कामत अँड सर वेलकम टू आवर शो फामाद. हाय, thank you sir. And please tell us about Yokohama tire service and the history of Yokohama and features and everything about Yokohama tire service.
Right now you are sitting in Yokohama Club Network. That's Yokohama's brand shop basically. It's first in Goa and 45th in India. Basically Yokohama tires are world famous tire brand, originally from Japan. This showroom is a blend of, say, you can choose your tires as well as your wheels. You want to upgrade your wheels, you want to change your wheels, you want to put anything different on your vehicle. Apart from the showroom, you come out, we have a lot of range. We have Yokohama's particular tire made in India, made in Japan also. Lot of alloy wheels. We focus on alloy wheel stocks, whereas customer from a 12-inch till 18-inch is in stock. Whoever customer just walks in, फालतू का दिसले तुझे गाडीक बरी घालया म्हणून विला सरळ यो, I would give you a right choice, wild choice of Yokohama tires as well as the wild choice of alloy wheels also. Then we have a service division where we give service without selling anything. It doesn't require that you have to buy anything from us. We provide services of the car to the customer, alignment, balancing. We have a latest machine come from Hunter US. It's kind few machines in the state. It indicates your car's alignment in accuracy. It's very, very accurate. We have a balancing machine which is again a laser machine which is very accurate to the customer. This machine handles all kind of vehicles. Like you have a high-end vehicle and you never want to give it out, anywhere except the dealership, and you just want to check it. सारकें आसा काय ना dealershipन गर्दी आसा फाल्यां. So we have that particular facility, all that data which is available for this high-end cars also. Apart from Indian cars, we have imported car data also.
Sir, what are the other different type of brands of alloy wheels you have?
Alloy wheels, we have lot of brands which are, some are Indian brands, some are abroad brands, some are very overseas brand. We have a best brand called, the Indian brand called Platy, where I am the distributor for Goa. Then we have one more brand which is again an Italian brand called Momo. We have a brand which is Thai brand, but in very wide range in world, that's called Lenso. It's the lightest wheel ever available in my range. Then we have the top end brand called OZ wheel, where there is little high budget wheels, but yes, there the quality also differs. And then we have got a new brand coming in called iForged, which is custom made. Custom made is particularly, you don't want any wheel which is already installed in some other vehicles. You want your particular wheel, your particular color. You choose that, we make it for you. It's 15 days time, comes from again Taiwan. 15 days time, customized wheel for your car. Yes, the cost little goes high because it is made for you. That wheel starts from 17, 18, 19. No lower end sizes available in that. Then we have a brand called Steel Wheels, Platy Steels. Right now we have seen lot of Jeep off-roading. काळे wheels पहिले असले, black steel wheels. Yes. Now we have got this new range called black steel wheels. Basically, steel wheel म्हणजे चकचक ना. It's black steel. Those wheels are for off-roading. We have a separate section for Jeeps off-roading 4x4. There we have got another particular car tire company worldwide famous called Cooper Tires. Again, I am the distributor for Goa. And we've got Cooper sister concern in Mastercraft, and third is Silverstone. This particular three tires are a high-end off-road tires where the range starts from really high. We have a regular brand called Maxxis, which is every Jeep you'll find Maxxis tire. That's our regular brand. Again, I'm a sub-dealer for it. Third is we have a low-profile tire. It's called low-profile tires because a lot of customers, their demand is for a low profile. Originally, the wheels are 16-inch on his. Now, this particular customer wanted to look the car really wide. So, we have fitted a stagger fitment into a 8J and a 9J wheel. It's again jumped out from to 16-inch to 17-inch. The 16-inch was the original fitment. We have put 18-inch now. We don't step over malla. Don't step over malla. This is 18-inch. This is a low profile tire. Whereas this is Yokohama's high-end brand, which is Yokohama called Advent Sports. This is particular tire is made in Japan. This tire is 245/40. So this is the low profile. इतली प्रोफाईल जी आशिल्ली ती कस्टमरांनी आमी इतली हाडली आनी हें वाडयलें. जेन्ना तूं व्हील वाडयता तेन्ना ऑटोमॅटिकली लो प्रोफायल हें काय कट करूंक मेळना. सो हांगाच आमकां एडजस्ट करून वी गिव इट लो प्रोफायल. अगेन दिस इज 245/45/18. 245/18, this particular size is same. The side profile, the width is more. The width is more basically, and the wheel is more deeper. If you check from here, is more deeper. We have small lock nuts. Lock nuts are कोणाक चुनू जायना म्हणून.
किती सर्विसीस दिता तुम्ही आणि आता तू कितें करता हांगा?
आता हांव व्हील अलायनमेंट करता हांगा. व्हील अलायनमेंट म्हणल्यार आतां कितें गाडयेक स्टेरींग क्रॉस आसता न्ही, टायर वेअर बी जाता आमचे, ताका लागून आमचे हांगा सेटींग आसता. ते जाल्यार सेटींग आसता ते सेटींग आमी करून स्ट्रेट करता टायर. तेन्ना मागीर गाडयेक टायर बी वेअर जावपाचें बरें जाता सारकें. ते आमचें सेटींग आसता सगळें स्क्रिनाचेर आसा. सेटींग बिटींग दाखयता तें करता आमी.
आनी युएसाचें कसलें मशीन
आमची एक्युरेट एलायमेंट आसा आनी आमची 4D एलायमेंट आसा. हंटर इंजिनियरींग कंपनी म्हणून तेजेर आमचे एक कॅमेरा एक टायराचेर कॅप्चर जाता आमचो ते भाशेन.
आनी कितें सर्विसीस दिता तुमी हांगा?
सर्वीस व्हील अलायनमेंट, व्हील बॅलन्सिंग, टायर चेंजिंग, टायर रोटेशन सगळें करता आमी हांगा. आनी नायट्रोजन फिलींग सगळें. व्हिलां आसा, मॅकव्हील आसा, टायर चेंजिंग करता, फिटींग बिटींग सगळें करता. बॅलन्सिंग आसा, ते बॅलन्सिंग मशीन आसा थंय. टायर चेंजर हो अलायनमेंट मशीन.
मित्रांनो, फामाद आता बिचोले फोंडा म्हापसा करीत करीत आता वास्को पावला. आणि तुमकां सांगता वास्को आतां हांव ज्या शॉपान ज्या शोरुमान उबो आसा तेजें नांव आसा नम्रता कॉर्नर. आणि तुमकां सांगता हांव इट इज वन स्टॉप सोल्युशन फॉर किचन एप्लायन्सीस. म्हणजे किचनांतले कितें बारीक चमचो ते सुरी ते व्हडले तुमचो गॅस ते ग्रायंडर कितें तुमी नांव जाय तें नांव घेयात तुमकां हांगा मेळटलें. बाब रामा तिरोडकर तुमचे आमचे फामाद कार्यावळीन स्वागत. आणि आमच्या व्हिवरांक सांगा, वास्कोकारांक सांगा, नम्रता कॉर्नर तुमचे हांगा तुमचे कडेन किचन एप्लायन्सीस स्पेशलिस्ट सामके म्हणजे A to Z किचन एप्लायन्सीस मेळटा. सो कसलो ब्रँड आनी कसले कसले किचन एप्लायन्सीस तुमी दवरता हांगा?
आमी हांगासर प्रेस्टीज दवरता, पिजन दवरता, फिलिप्स दवरता, मर्फी रिचर्ड दवरता, सगळे तरेचे सुमीत दवरता. कांय दवरिना अशें कांय ना. घरान जे वस्तू लागता सोयीन सोयीदा सदांच लागता तसले सगळे ब्रँडाचे आमच्या कडेन प्रॉडक्ट हांगा मेळटले. हांगासर आमकां सेल आनी सर्वीस करपाक 50 वर्सां लागली ह्या जाग्यार पावपा खातीर. 50 वर्सांचे आमच्या कडेन सेल्स एंड रिपेरींग सर्वीस आमच्या कडेन आसा. आमी हांगासर कितें जर जाल्यार ऑन द स्पॉट वॉरंटी दिता आनी आमी स्वता सर्वीस करता. कंपनीचेर डिपेंड रावना. तेन्ना त्या खातीर गिरायक आमच्या कडेन चड आकर्शीत जाता आनी चड आमच्या कडेन येतात. कडेन खंयच्याच कंपनीचो प्रॉडक्ट ना असो ना. हांगासर सुरये पासून गॅस स्टोवा पर्यंत मेळटले. आमच्या कडेन हांगासर प्रेस्टीज आसा, पिजन आसा, मर्फी रिचर्ड आसा, सुमीत आसा, मागीर तुका इको फ्रॉक आसा, वॉटर कूलर आसा, वॉटर फिल्टर आसा, सिंपनी आसा. सगळे तरेचे हर तरेचे ब्रँड आमी हांगासर गिरायकाक उपलब्ध करून दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. आनी आमची जी सर्वीस आसा फास्ट आसा एकदम. आमी कस्टमरान जर कितें कंप्लेन येयले जाल्यार आमी स्वता रिपेर करता. आमच्या कडेन 50 वर्साचे सेल्स एंड सर्विसाचे एक्सपिरियन्स आसा.
50 वर्सां पासून तुमी हांगा वास्को
धंद्यान आसा. 50 वर्सां पासून आसा.
सो तुमी स्टार्ट केल्लो
पयलीं आमी म्हाज्या बापायन स्टार्ट केल्लो. म्हाज्या बापा फाटल्यान हांवें टेक ओवर करून हांगासर म्हाजी खूपच ब्रँचीस आसा वास्कोन. फक्त वास्को पुरती म्हाजे ब्रँची खूब आसा. थंयसर सगल्या कडेन आमची सेल्स एंड सर्वीस आसा हांगासर.
आणि वास्कोन तुमचे सगळे किचन एप्लायन्सीस शॉप आसा काय आनीक दुसरे
ना, आमच्या कडेन वास्कोन ग्रोसरी शॉप आसा, सलून आसा, मागीर मल्टी ब्रँड शॉप आसा, इस्टीलची दुकानां आसा. सगळे तरेचे हर प्रकाराची आमी लोकांची वास्कोकारांची सेवा करपाक हांगा उपलब्ध आसा. ब्रँड नम्रता चडशे करून नम्रता आसा, नाल्यार महाराजा एरडेसर आसा, नम्रता नॉवल्टी आसा, नम्रता सिलेक्शन आसा, तिरोडकर स्टोर आसा, लक्ष्मी स्टोर आसा. अशे हर प्रकारची नांवां आमी दवरलेली आसा. आमच्या कुटुंबाक हांगासर कमीच कमी 150-200 वर्सां जावन गेली हांगासर. आजो पणजो आमचो आसलो. तेज्या नंतर आमी बापूय येयलो. बापाय फाटल्यान हांव. ही म्हाजी आतां 4थी-5वी पिढी आसतली.
तुमच्या आउटलेटाची कितें ती स्पेशलिटी आसा की ब्रिंग एनीथींग एंड टेक एनी?
आमच्या हॉटेलाची स्पेशली म्हणजे एनी ब्रँड, एनी कंडिशन, ब्रिंग एनीथींग, टेक एनीथींग, एनी मॉडल. कितें हाडून कितें व्हरपा जाता. जे घरान डम जो माल पडलेलो आसा तो जर हाडून जर तुमी आमकां दिसात आनी तो एक्सचेंज करून तुमकां जाय ते तुमी व्हरोंक शकता. तेज्या बद्दल पोरन्याचे पयशे आमी कमी करून वयले पयशे दीत जाल्यार तुका तो कस्टमराक बेनिफीट मेळटा.
चवथी खातीर बी कितें आसा स्पेशल?
चवथी खातीर स्पेशल ऑफर आसा. कितें म्हणून जाल्यार बाबा ही बाय 1 गेट 1 फ्री, नाल्यार बाय 1 गेट 1 6 पीस, नाल्यार तुका इंडिपेंडंट डे आतां ऑफर काडलेली आसा. ती चवथ पर्यंत आमची चलतली. एक जर गॅस स्टोव घेतलो तेजेर एक किल्पॉन कुकर फ्री मेळटलो. परत तेजेर DYK 3 पीस सेट फ्री मेळटलो.
तुमच्याकडे 3 बर्नरान ऑटोमॅटीक मेळटली, नॉन ऑटोमॅटीक मेळटली. आमी सगळे कंपनी दवरता फ्रॉम A to Z, स्टार्टींग फ्रॉम लोकल सूर्या कंपनी ती घराघरांनी येवन भोंवतात, प्लस पिजनान तुका ऑटोमॅटीक, नॉन ऑटोमॅटीक प्रीती कंपनीची मेळटली.
2 बर्नर
सूर्या मॅजिक 2 बर्नर विथ डिझायन वेगवेगळे पॅटर्न आमचे कडेन आसता. सगळे पॅटर्न आमी दवरता विथ ऑटोमॅटीक, नॉन ऑटोमॅटीक. प्लस आमच्या कडेन प्रेस्टीज जे गॅस्ट्रोचे आहा पळय तांकां आमी लायफ लाँग ग्लास वॉरंटी दिता. तेंचो जो ग्लास आसता पळय हो सबा स्कॉट ग्लास, जर्मन इम्पोर्टेड ग्लास. हो त्या ग्लासाक लायफ लाँग वॉरंटी दिता. ग्लास केन्नाय फुटलो कस्टमराक आमी पीस टू पीस ग्लास नवो घालून दिता विदावट एनी चार्जीस. प्लस स्टिलान आमचे कडेन 2 बर्नर, 3 बर्नर विथ स्टेनलेस स्टील बॉडी. 100% रिप्लेसमेंट गॅरंटी दिता आमी स्टिलाची.
सर्विसीच्या बाबतींत कशें कितें?
आमी सगळे गॅस्टोवचे स्पेअर पार्ट्स रेडिली दवरता. आनी ही नवी गॅस्टोव येयल्ली आहा पिजनाची, हिका हॉप टॉप म्हणटा. जाय जाल्यार प्लॅटफॉर्म कट करून घालपा जाता, नाल्यार प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर दवरपा जाता. हेची आमी सेल्स सर्वीस दोनूय पळयता. पार्ट्स आमी ऑलरेडी हांगा दवरता कित्याक आमी सर्वीस 30 वर्सांच्यान आमी फेमस आसा हांगासर. आनी सेल्स आनी सर्वीस दोनूय पळयता आमी हांगासर. त्या खातीर पार्ट्स आमचे सगळे मेळटा हेंचे.
तुमच्याकडे प्रोडक्ट घेतला तर पार्ट्स अँड सर्व्हिस
पार्ट्स सर्व्हिस दोन्ही करता आम्ही होम सर्व्हिस दिता वयल्यान कस्टमर वेडिंगा खातीर 100 रुपया पासून 500 रुपया पर्यंत गिफ्ट करता न्ही पूण आमी सगळे कलेक्शन हांगा दवरले आसता स्टार्टींग फ्रॉम 100 रुपीज टील 500 रुपीज हे सगळे क्रॉकरी आयटम्स आमचे हांगा आसा प्लस ह्या वाटेन आमचे सगळे नॉन स्टिक कुकवेअर्स आयटम सगळे आमी डिस्प्ले केल्ले आसा मागीर कस्टमराक परत परत बॉक्सां ओढून दाखोवपाची गरज ना कस्टमर पळोवन घेता आमचे आयटम सगळे प्लस आमी जे नॉन स्टिक जे आयटम आसा ताका आमी वॉरंटी दिता 2 years वॉरंटी 18 months वॉरंटी 1 year वॉरंटी पीस टू पीस रिप्लेसमेंट वॉरंटी आसता
हांगा हेअर ड्रायर्स आणि रेडी शेवर्स बीन दिसता म्हाका
हे आमी प्रोडक्ट्स कित्याक दवरला थोडे कस्टमर ब्युटी केअर ब्युटी पर्सनल केअर प्रोडक्ट्सा खातीर अट्रॅक्ट जाता त्या खातीर आमी ईच एंड एवरी ब्रँड कमीत कमी ब्रँडाच्यान स्टार्ट केला ओवेस्टर त्या भायर फिलिप्स हेवल्स सगळे ब्रँड दवरला फ्रॉम लो रेंज टू हाय रेंज कस्टमराक वेगवेगळी वरायटी मेळपा खातीर प्लस ऑल वरायटी लायक हेअर ड्रायर्स ट्रिमर्स झिरो ट्रिमर्स ते मागीर 1 to 7 सगळे ट्रिमर्स आमी दवरलेले आसा मागीर फ्रॉम ट्रिमर्स टू कमर्शियल ट्रिमर्स फ्रॉम मसाला डब्बाज मायक्रोवेव डब्बाज एवरीथींग चिमनीज आमी प्रेस्टीज पिजन बटरफ्लाय सगळी कंपनीची चिमनीज दवरता चिमनीजाचे मेन एडवांटेज कितें आतांचे कस्टमर चडशे एक्झॉस्ट सोदता ते एक कडेन हे करपाक सोदना त्या खातीर चिमनीज आमी डिस्प्ले केल्ले आसा फ्रॉम प्रेस्टीज पिजन आमी 7 years वॉरंटी दिता थोड्यांचे लायफ टायम वॉरंटीज दिता प्लस आमी ओन्ली सेल करना फाल्यां चिमनी सेल केले काय ते कस्टमराक विथ फिटींग विथ कोर कटींग होल मारून चिमनी बसोवन दितात चिमनी होल मारून चिमनी बसोवन दितात त्या खातीर डिफरंट डेज आमी अपॉयंटमेंट घेता आनी वयता फूल फ्लॅश सर्वीस फ्रॉम सेल टू फिटींग टू कोर कटींग एवरीथींग
So friends, this is Namrata Corner, specialist in kitchen appliances, Vasco opposite municipality building, Namrata Corner. आणि त्याची इंडिपेंडन्स डे ऑफर म्हणून आसा नम्रता कॉर्नराची इंडिपेंडन्स डे ऑफर आसा आनी ती ऑफर कितें ती मात तुमी हांगा येया नम्रता कॉर्नर ऑपोजीट म्युनिसिपॅलिटी वास्को आनी तुमी पळया की वॉट इज दॅट इंडिपेंडन्स डे ऑफर जी चवथ मेरेन तेंची आतां ही ऑफर चालू उरतली सो विसरू नाका आणि जरूर तुम्ही भेट दिया नम्रता कॉर्नर स्पेशलिस्ट इन किचन अप्लायन्सीस वास्को. Right now we are in Panjim. Panjim, the city of trade, the city of aspirations, the city of dreams, and city of all we wonderful people. And similarly, now we are in a very exquisite and elegant showroom named Big Little Collection. Today we are in the showroom owned by Mr. Yatin Parekh and his son Karan Parekh, and the name of this brand, the name of this showroom, this elegant showroom is Big Little Collection. So right now we have with us the store manager Mr. Brian with us. Brian, yeah, welcome to Famad, the famous new show.
Currently, one of the biggest and the top selling handset that we have is the Samsung Galaxy S8. As you can see, we have a lot of phones on display. One of the premium phones about S8 that I was talking about, you can have a look. See, this is the demo. Okay, now we have these J series, which are mid-range handsets. They are value for money. You get them at around 17,900. Okay, currently that is the price going on, which is a J7 Max. So if you have a look at this phone, this also has the latest features. So it has a 13 megapixel front as well as a 13 megapixel back camera. We are a multi-brand, so we have options for customers. Customers can choose from a wide range of phones. So we have Vivo also. I'll show you some of the Vivo phones.
Sure.
With Vivo, currently there is a V5S which is selling quite well. USB of V5S, if you want, you can take a look at the phone. So this is the V5S. Now, when we talk about value for money, okay, this phone is value for money because you're getting 4 GB RAM and you're getting a 64 GB internal memory, which is a lot. We have Gioni as well. Gioni, as you might know, right now there's a lot of marketing happening on the front, and there are a lot of options in Gioni. As you might see, customers can choose from a wide range. It starts from 5,500, which is a 3G phone, and it can go up to even 20,000. In 20,000 you get the A1, which gives you actually 2 years warranty. No other brand is giving you 2 years warranty on their phones. Thing that you need for music, we have Bluetooth speakers, okay, we have Bluetooth headphones, headsets. So there's a wide range customers can select from, and we keep getting latest headphones, for our customers. If you do want to gift something for your parents, or if you want to really get them back to the old days, so you have this option called as Karwar, okay. These are available at a very reasonable price if you want to gift your parents, okay. It is just available at 5,990. So you get inbuilt music also in them, and this looks you get around 5,000 songs within stored in it, and they are all original songs. Not even heavy, right?
Yeah, nice.
Nice and light.
The look is very nostalgic.
Very, We look forward towards the day. We want to give our customers the best experience. We keep follow-ups for our customers. So I think we are in the race to be one of the best stores in Goa. Actually, we are running a special offer right now, which is up until the 30th of September. So any customer who buys a phone from us, okay, his name and number goes into a lucky draw, and we put it in there. And when we will select one lucky customer who will get a smartphone, 4G enabled smartphone. With that, he will also get a free 4G Geo SIM card. Okay. So we are running a special. So we want to do different things for our customers.
What's the last date to enroll in this?
30th September. 30th September will be the last day.
Preview.
So friends, from Big Little Collection, we have come to iSpace, the exclusive premier Apple store in Panjim. And now we have with us Mr. Karan Parekh.
Realized that people wanted an exclusive Apple experience zone, which Panjim was basically lacking. And we also realized that there's a lot of demand for Apple IT products like the MacBook, the iPads, the iMacs, which there is huge demand, but there's no one to cater it in Panjim. So that is the time we realized that we should open an Apple store as well. And that time a good opportunity came knocking when the Apple representative came to us and requested us to open a store. So that is how we got into this store, and I think it is doing pretty well. It is, in fact, better than our expectations. And even we were surprised to see the demand for Apple products. Well, initially we were only selling phones. So once we came here, we realized that the demand for the IT-related products is exorbitant.
The first thing I would say is that we welcome you to the Apple authorized store. Okay, the first one being in Goa. So that being the highest and the premium store for Goa. So talking about what we have here right now is 3 basic models as of now. One being the MacBook Air, which a lot of people can fetch onto because you get it at a really exciting price. So when you're looking at the prices, we're looking at somewhere around 77,000 rupees. Then we also have something on a high end for graphic designers, for DJs. We have a lot of DJs in Goa. People who are trying to get their hands onto the latest MacBook Pro. So you have the prices starting at around 1,47,000. The product, which is called the MacBook, it's slim, it's sleek, it's something that you can travel with. So it's a product to have. Now I have a lot of businessmen for the offices are now involving the iMac. So we've gotten two sizes, one being of the 21-inch and the other of the 27-inch. And you have this at exciting prices like 90,000 starting price. At the same time, if you go in for the 27-inch, the starting model would be at a price of 1,47,000 rupees. So here you're looking at products which we've got the iPhones, starting from the lowest range, which is the iPhone 5S. Okay, this starting at an exciting price, which is around 18,500 is what we're selling it for, going up to the latest iPhone 7 Plus and the iPhone 7. So these two phones at a prices ranging 50,000 and beyond. And here too I have some exciting product like you have the latest iPad 2017 model. This at the same time is one of the best in its prices because it starts with a variety of just 28,900 rupees. And then you also have a high-tech iPad Pro. The Pro being wherein you can go ahead and even use the pencil on it. So a lot of designers, a lot of artists around the world would use a product like a pencil which you can go ahead and use to draw. Want to get their hands on to the Apple Watch, one of the craziest devices to use. This is something that you can now also use it for calling purpose. So you receive a call, you can do it on this itself. You don't need your phone for that.
तुमकांय जर फामाद जावपाचें आसा, फामाद करपाचें आसा आनी फामाद ह्या कार्यावळीन येवपाचें आसा जाल्यार जरूर म्हाका मुजरत फोन करात 8390540510 8390540510 ह्या मोबायलाचेर नाजाल्यार तुमी म्हाका मेल करूं शकता marketing@prudentmedia.in या ईमेल आयडीचेर.